So, as I told you, that the Gupta period is also known as the golden age of India. Okay, so you can see that for the first time during the Gupta period, we used the gold coins. Okay, now you can imagine if you are buying anything in the market, okay, and for that you are paying the gold coin. Okay, so just imagine the prosperity of India during those times. Okay, so this was the prosperity during the Gupta period. Okay, so here the Kumaragupta, okay, Kumaragupta I, okay, he is playing Veena, okay, in this coin. Okay, now the second is Ashwamedh Yagya reflection in the Samudragupta's coin. Okay, after that, this is the Chandragupta I, who is the major founder of the Gupta period. Okay, so the Chandragupta I. Now, Chandragupta is in Maurya dynasty also. Please do not mix both of this. Okay, Chandragupta is at Gupta also. Now, that Chandragupta was also founder, and this Chandragupta is also a founder. Okay, so Chandragupta I, okay, depicted a marriage coin. Now, this was issued by Samudragupta or his son, but it is the marriage of Chandragupta with Kumar Devi. Okay, now the Kumar Devi is a wife of Chandragupta I. Okay, so it is the reflection of a ritual that this coin holds. Okay, after this, a ruler, okay, Chandragupta II, okay, is slaying the lion or the tiger in this coin. Okay, so it depicts how the stronger rulers were of that time. After that, again the ruler is slaying the rhinoceros, okay, especially the Kumaragupta. Okay, now here this coin, okay, this coin is about the Samudragupta, who is in the battle and uses the axe to slay the enemy. Okay, so this is axe which slays the enemy in the battle. Okay, so near about each and every major ruler of the Gupta period was quite active. Okay, and they had their own interests which are being depicted in the golden coins. Okay, now here let us start with the Chandragupta I. Okay, so the Chandragupta I established the Gupta Empire or the Gupta period during the 319 BC. Okay, and he married the Kumar Devi. Okay, he married the Kumar Devi. Okay, who she was the princess of Lichchhavi's dynasty in the Nepal. Okay, and he called himself, or that time the king was being termed as Mahadhiraj. Okay, Maharaja Dhiraj. Okay, Maharaja Dhiraj. Okay, that means the king of kings. King of kings. Maharaja Dhiraj. Okay, and this was also being depicted on the coins. Now you see, this coin we have already discussed. Okay, it reflects the Kumar Devi. Okay, Kumar Devi and Chandragupta I's marriage. Okay, now it reflects, now this coin reflects the goddess. Okay, so here you can understand that Kumaragupta, Chandragupta, okay, Samudragupta, all these rulers belonged from the Brahmanical sect. Okay, so that is why they would be majorly concentrating upon the Brahmanism. And that is why they would be preaching their own ideas through the inscription, through the gold coins. And this is the period where you will see the major deviance in between the caste system and the religions. Okay, now we'll study everything of that, but just let us first understand the successors of the Gupta period and their major features. Okay, so the second was the Samudragupta. Okay, now he was also known as the Prayag Prashasti. Now the Prayag Prashasti. Now what is the Prayag? It is the place. It is a holy place, Hindu place. Okay, so this Prayag was being made Prashasta. Prashasta means it has been expanded. So that is why the Samudragupta is also known as the Prayag Prashasti. Okay, that is, he is doing the expansion of the region. Okay, so Prayag Prashasti. Now it was his achievements which was being composed by Harisena. Now who was Harisena? He was a court poet. Okay, he was a court poet during the Samudragupta I. Okay, now he also talks, the Harisena also talks that the Samudragupta had conquered, okay, he had conquered the 8 kings of Aryavrat. Now what was the Aryavrat? Aryavrat was nothing but the Indian subcontinent. Okay, so he praised the Samudragupta, he praised his abilities, okay, as the Prayag Prashasti, how he conquered the 8 kings of the Aryavrat, of the Indian subcontinent. Okay, now after that, as I have said, that all these kings would be supporting the Brahmin rituals and the culture. So again they would be performing the Ashwamedh Yajna. Okay, and this Ashwamedh Yajna was being reflected in the coins. Okay, Ashwamedh Yajna would be reflected in the coins, like there would be one horse, okay, in the coin, okay, and there would be the declaration of the price. Okay, what is the price if anyone gets this horse? Okay, so this was being depicted on the coin. Okay, after that the tiger slayer coin was being also issued during the Samudragupta, and in fact during the Samudragupta only there was an issuance of the coin of the marriage of Chandragupta and Kumar Devi. Okay, it was only during the Samudragupta, Chandragupta and Kumar Devi of Nepal. Okay, so he had issued the coin of his mother and father's marriage. Okay, so the Samudragupta, as he followed the expansionary policy, that is why he was known as the Napoleon of India. Now who was Napoleon? The original Napoleon was someone different. Okay, now he had also that Western Napoleon also had the aim to expand his territory or to expand his region throughout the world. Okay, that was his aim. Okay, so the Samudragupta also had similar kind of goals and aims to achieve, and that is why the Samudragupta, as he expanded Gupta Empire at its zenith, that is why he would be knowing as the Napoleon of India. So in the state services prelims, if the question arises who was known as the Napoleon of India, so it is Samudragupta, which is known as the Napoleon of India. After that, he was also known as Dharma Prachara Bandhu. Now what is meant by Dharma Prachara Bandhu? Dharma Prachara Bandhu means a person or a brother who preaches dharma in the society. Okay, that is Dharma Prachara Bandhu, and where it was written on the Allahabad inscription. Where this was constructed during the Samudragupta period only. Okay, Allahabad inscription. Okay, see here. Okay, there are the texts that are being written. Okay, so these are written in Prakrit as well, and the Sanskrit text is not here, but in the literature. Okay, Sanskrit text would be evident in the literature, and on the inscription you will have the Prakrit. Okay, so the Samudragupta was known as the Dharma Prachar Bandhu. He was also known as the Tiger Slayer. He was also known as the Prayag Prashasti. Okay, so let's go on the second evident ruler, that is Chandragupta II. So again you will see that during the Chandragupta I, okay, they believed in the conquest through the marriage alliances and the military wars. Okay, so here again in the third generation also they would be following the same aspect, that is the marriage alliances, and that is why Chandragupta II married the Kubar Naga. Okay, the Kuber Naga, she was the princess from Vakataka kingdom, that kingdom which was at the Deccan region. Okay, in the present day Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and some parts of Karnataka and Andhra. Okay, so she was a princess of Vakataka king, and she was married to Chandragupta II. So by this marriage alliance, what will happen? Okay, they will come closer. Okay, at least they will not have the enemy kind of relations. Okay, they will have friendly relation, or at least they will not discard their own boundaries. They will respect each other's boundaries. Okay, so if you see in the map, okay, see, at the initial phase, during the initial phase of the Gupta Empire, when it was established, see, Nepal was within the Gupta Empire. Okay, Nepal region was in the Gupta Empire. Why? Because they had marriage alliance with Chandragupta I. Okay, now when we come towards the next generation, the third generation, we would be seeing that they would be getting much more friendly boundaries with the Vakatakas. Okay, so this happened only possible due to the marriage alliances that were taking place during the Gupta period. Now, it is the first time in the history